To leverage trading on Trading 212, start by understanding what leverage is, which is essentially borrowing money from a broker to increase the size of a trade. This means that with a small amount of capital, you can control a much larger position, potentially amplifying your gains. However, it's crucial to remember that leverage is a double-edged sword, as it can also amplify your losses. First, you need to open an account with Trading 212, which is a straightforward process that requires some basic personal and financial information. Once your account is set up and verified, you can deposit funds to start trading. When using leverage on Trading 212, it's essential to understand the concept of margin. The margin is the amount of money required to open a leveraged position, and it varies depending on the asset you're trading. For example, if you want to trade with a leverage of 1 to 100, you would need to have 1% of the total trade value in your account as margin. To place a leveraged trade on Trading 212, navigate to the trading platform. Select the asset you wish to trade, and then choose the leverage option. You can usually find this in the Settings or Options section of the trade interface. Be sure to carefully review the trade details, including the leverage ratio, the margin required, and the potential profit or loss, before confirming the trade. Best practices for leveraging on Trading 212 include starting with low leverage ratios and gradually increasing them as you gain more experience and confidence in your trading abilities. It's also crucial to set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. In terms of risk management, it's essential to understand that high leverage can result in significant losses, even with small price movements. Therefore, it's vital to have a solid trading strategy in place, including a clear plan for entering and exiting trades, as well as a comprehensive risk management plan. By following these steps and guidelines, you can effectively leverage trading on Trading 212, potentially increasing your trading profits while minimizing your risks. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and to continuously educate yourself on trading strategies and risk management techniques to improve your overall trading performance.